Hi everyone, today I am going to share a very quick and easy recipe of milk peda with you. Now, at times we all have craving of sweets and we don't want to go out to buy, and at home we have very less time to prepare. So let's have a quick look at a recipe of milk peda which can be prepared within 10 minutes. So let's quickly have a look at all the ingredients. So here we need 1 cup of milk powder, 1/4 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, and some chopped almonds like this. So for milk powder, I have used the Nestle milk powder, and powdered sugar, what you all can do is sometimes grind the sugar together and just keep it, which can be used for any of all your recipes like cooking, etc. So what I have done now is taken 1 tablespoon of ghee in a non-stick pan and just light the flame. So once the ghee gets heated up, we will add some milk to it. You can even avoid ghee if you don't want to add, but then good. Just mix it well. Add some sugar. I've added powdered sugar over here. Now we'll add milk powder to it. We have taken 1 cup of milk powder. Now we have to quickly stir all this so that there are no lumps that are left in the milk powder. So just hold the handle of your pan and quickly start stirring everything properly. Make sure that there are no lumps that are left behind when you stir it. So once you keep stirring it for somewhere around 2 to 3 minutes on low flame, your mixture would look somewhat like this. In this case, if you really want to add a little bit of cardamom powder, you can add a little bit of cardamom powder. Same for this cardamom powder, you can just crush the cardamom powder and keep it for your use. Now keep on stirring it till the time it just leaves off the pan. I think it's almost done. It would be done in another 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Yeah, just make sure that whenever you are doing it, the flame should be absolutely low, because if you keep the flame high, it will start burning and it is not going to give the pedas a very nice taste. This is an instant recipe. You can make it whenever you want to have something, or you have some guests coming, or instantly you have some craving of sweet and you don't have a lot of time with you. So for this is the best recipe. Now I think it's ready, so I've switched off the flame and we will let it cool for a while and then shape them into pedas. So now my mixture has cooled. Make sure that the mixture is a little warm before you make. Now you need to take a little bit of oil on your hands and then roll it in the shape of these balls or pedas. Now the size of the shape actually depends upon how you want it. So I was looking, and then these are some chopped almonds which I have chopped them like this, and then you put the almond on this like this and then put it in your. So the pedas are now here ready to be served. You all like the recipe of milk peda that we prepared today, which is very easy and you can prepare it anytime if you have guests at home. And if you all want to give a little bit of twist to it, you can surely do that.